Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 13 of the games room build. Guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be building a bar. That's the fridge, so we're going to build a bar top on the window. I've got a couple of chrome legs, I've got 2 and a bit lengths of timber, bit of laminate flooring, some wood glue, some screws. So yeah, I'm just going to make this completely from scratch. It's going to have like 2 glass shelves in it. Yeah, we're just going to crack on, guys, see if I can get this made with the bits I've got. So I'll stick you in a time lapse and we'll crack on. See you in a bit. Guys, I probably had about a 2-second time lapse. I've just cracked on and I've got it finished. So this is a real short video, guys, but I'll give you a little pan round of the whole thing. So I've finished the bar top. So that's what I've done there. So you've got your fridge all built in into that, and then you've got places for your cups. Pull the top on, cut all round on that. So that's the finished barring, guys. Out of all old scraps, bit of laminate. I think that looks quite good. Looks like a log burner. But yeah, that's all in. And they've given this another coat of white. So I think there's one more coat of white to do on this. And then the skirting boards are going to go dark grey. The blind for the window. The electrician's here tomorrow. So he's going to be putting the sockets in, the lights in. And then it'll just be decorating here with memorabilia and things like that. So I'll nip outside and I'll give you a little pan round of the outside. There's the finished outside. Trellises, it's all planted up at the front. So that's all nice and finished. You've got a trellis to the side. And a plant pot there, well, a flower bed. So that's all that, guys. Guys, that's the finished games room, so it's all been put back now. You've got the bar that I did just there, so that's all in. It's got the nice bar stools in. Put all his memorabilia up, nice blind, and that's the spotlights all in. Pool table to the centre. So that's all finished, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this build. And I'll see you in the next one.